So I'm out here in the cold thinking, let's do a market update. So very fucking simply, okay, my dudes? You know, I made the post about there won't be another alt season for a little bit. We made the post about, why is Bitcoin dropping in BlackRock? But what's my overall thoughts, right? Do I really believe this market is over? Is it truly that bearish? Here's what I'm gonna say, and I know it's gonna sound crazy, but just go with it. Officially, Bitcoin is not in a bear market till it's below its weekly Ichimoku cloud. Let me show you. Okay, behind me is the weekly Bitcoin. We're gonna start up here. You see this? This is the Ichi cloud. If you look at it in history, every time without a doubt, if we go below this Ichi cloud, which is at 48K, worse pain, more pain coming guaranteed. If you can hold this range up here, 60K, you're not that bad. This wind that I'm in right now is bad, but I'm in a hot tub, but it's still pretty fucking cold. Anyways, let me continue. You see that right there? That's the bottom of the Keltner. You see that blue line, bottom of the Keltner? Still above the bottom of the Keltner, not that bad. If we start falling below the bottom of the Keltner, okay, there is a chance that we touch this area, which would be, a lot of people would feel a lot of pain. Now, could you say it's in a bear market? It is definitely would be bearish here, no doubt. But officially, I know it sounds weird, it would not be in a bear market. It would still be very bullish. And you see, now we move down here, the stochastic RSI on the weekly. Now the stochastic RSI on the weekly, it's oversold, but the problem here is it can remain oversold for up to 8 weeks. So like 8 candles, boom, boom, boom. This could extend. So, it could be could be bottom-ish. It could also go to 60K. But also 80 to 60, it's not that bad, right? If you think about it, 100 to 60 kind of sucks, but we've already gone halfway. And the RSI, relatively healthy, not the worst, could be better, could turn a lot worse and extend this stochastic RSI. It'll flatline, and then this will go to who knows, somewhere down here. But the issue is, and what a lot of your influencers weren't telling you, is your shitcoins, they've been below this weekly Ichi for a hot minute. We're talking serious amount of time where I was telling people, why are you bullish, right? Because I can't really take any more of the cold. All I'm gonna say is your altcoins are that bad. Bitcoin, unironically, not that bad. I'm gonna go chill out. Until next time, Naked Nation, take care, brush your hair, scrub your scalp. I'm out. What do you think?